Hello, everyone. I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some common pork dishes in English. If you haven't done so yet, or you're new to our channel, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these words in English together. Please give it a try. Pork chops, pork chops, pork chops. Pork ribs, pork ribs, pork ribs. Pork belly, pork belly, pork belly. Pork stir-fry, pork stir-fry, pork stir-fry. Pork sausage, pork sausage, pork sausage. Ground pork, ground pork, ground pork. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Ham, ham, ham. Salami, salami, salami. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos on English pronunciation every week. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.